Hello children, today I am telling you an interesting story of a curious George. Once upon a time, deep in the jungle, where lived a little monkey named George. George was a very curious monkey. He loved to explore everything around him. One day, while George was swinging through the tree, he saw something bright and yellow below. It was the man with the yellow hat. The man with the yellow hat looked up and saw George. He thought, what a nice little monkey. I would like to make him home with me. So he held out a banana to George. George, being very curious and loving banana, climbed down for the tree and looked the banana. The man with yellow hat gently put George into a bag and took him into his ship. George was very curious about everything on the ship. He looked at the vast ocean, the other ship, and the sky. He could not wait to see where he was going. After a long journey, the ship arrived in a big city. The man with the yellow hat took George to his new home. George was amazed by all the tall buildings and busy streets. In his new home, George was very curious. He wanted to see and touch everything. He found a telephone and thought it was very interesting. George picked up the phone and started pressing buttons. Suddenly, he heard a voice on the other end. It was the fire department. They thought there was an emergency. Soon the fire trucks arrived at the house, and the firefighter rushed in. But there was no fire. They found George holding the phone and realized he was just a curious little monkey. The man with the yellow hat explained that George was new to the city and did not mean any harm. The firefighter laughed and said it was okay. They even let George sit in the fire truck for a little while. George had so much fun sitting in the fire truck. He learned that sometimes being too curious can lead to trouble, but it can also lead to new friends and adventures. From that day on, George had many more adventures with the man with the yellow hat. He learned new things every day, but no matter what happened, he always stayed curious, and that's why everyone loved him so much. This was the story of Curious George. If you enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.